43 days to Yukon River Quest 2026. This is the 23Zero that we're working with, the awning. We got the 180 wall for the 180 Peregrine Pro. These are the tent stakes that come with it right here. So what we've done was we upgraded the tent stakes to these with a reflective, or I think this is just a glow-in-the-dark ring. This is the cordage that comes with it. It's only like 3 or 4 strands. I'm not sure the strand count on it, but it will suffice, but just not long-term use. So I upgraded to 550 Paracord. This is reflective, bright orange, and then we're using cam jams. These are cord tighteners. So this is what we've come up with, is we're just doing a half hitch for a knot and then putting a cam jam on there. And this is how crazy it looks. Tied off to pretty much every point you can tie off to. And the cool thing is these are adjustable. So we've got it staked out with the stakes that come with it, and then the heavy duty stakes we've tied the cordage to. And the cool thing about this is if I want to loosen anything up, I just pull up, doing this one-handed again, just pull up on that and I can pull that out. So you see that? And then to tighten it, again, you just run the cordage through the eye on the back, and then it's going to fit into the cam. So we can do this one-handed. There you go. And then you just pull it tight to whatever tension you want. So this is all adjustable, and the reason we got all this set up today is we just got it pre-cut. So when we're out on expedition and adventure to the Yukon, the 8,000-mile round trip, we don't have to hook all this stuff up, but it's just in case we need to because of high winds. Like we don't have to hook that one up, but that would help drain water off. We could just do where the 4 poles are to hold it up. We don't necessarily have to hook the walls in or even stake them down or even put the wall up. This is just to pre-test everything or pre-fit everything and get it pre-cut. So this is a walk around of the 180 wall for the Peregrine Pro 180 by 23Zero. I'll give you a quick shot of the logo if I can reach it. There you go, 23Zero Peregrine Pro, and then you got the 23Zero Peregrine. This is the wall kit. It's all one piece. It goes all the way around, starts from the front of the truck, and one zipper does the whole thing. And I'm going to show you how much room you have inside. We measured, it's about 9 feet from the bumper to right here, and then it's about 9 feet from the side of the truck all the way out to there. So that's pretty good distance. The Peregrine Pro 180 comes with 2 LED light bars. You have to plug them both in separately. There's a Y connector right here, and then you can run it through, and here's the other connector right here. You can see that you have all this open space. Front windshield, front fender. So it's not quite like a tent where it's going to see you 100% out and keep all the bugs out. This is mainly designed to keep you in the shade, to keep rain off of you. You'd have to set up cots or something if you wanted to sleep off the ground, put flooring in and all that. There you go, 180 Pro. We got it hooked up to the small Jackery Explorer 300 version 2. Just got one USB. This has been on probably for about an hour, and we've run it multiple times without recharging it. And that's all hooked up to the 21 Tacoma TRD Pro by Toyota. Got my epic kayak on top that we're going to be racing the Yukon River Quest. It sets up really nicely. The next one we're going to do is the 23Zero Onyx 270. We're going to set this one up and put the wall kit. This one comes with 5 individual walls that you got to put in separately instead of one big wall. There you go, Yukon River Quest 2026.